Hello, my name's Mike and welcome to another video from Minder Travel. Today I'm really excited because we are talking The Exchange, an amazing venue that sadly is only available on Marella Voyager. It's proving to be a massive success, and the two shows, the Lock-In and the Heist, you need tickets to go and see, and they are definitely the hottest tickets on the ship. Do what you can to get one. The two shows have different stories and also different characters within them. They last about 90 minutes long, and there is no food served, but you do get popcorn served when you first get there, and your drinks are brought to you on a trolley. You get 3 free drinks as part of the price that you pay. The venue, although no expense has been spared on its decor, which is Art Deco 30s, and the bar gives a very much a speakeasy type feel. Unfortunately, though, we do feel that the venue is a little bit small, hence why the tickets are so difficult to get. Each performance has a capacity of about 35 people, so that's 70 per evening, and they perform 4 times a week. So 280 people is their maximum out of a ship with 2,000 people on. So you can understand why it's difficult. But the show has been a big success. They originally only did 2 shows, but have now rolled it up to 4. And hopefully, Marella, you will get this show and this bar on the rest of the fleet, because it truly is a superb customer experience. I will say that we do not intend to show you the endings of either the Heist or the Lock-In. What we are trying to show you is just how much fun, enjoyment, how much ad-libbing that goes along, the singing, the dancing, the fun. It's just a brilliant, brilliant fun night. We had disappointing things about the ending, but I have to say I don't think there's any other way they can do it. And I think it goes with the storyline. The only disappointment is the fact that it's over. The cast consists of 3 performers. In our case, it was Monica, George, and Luke, who young, talented, absolutely brilliant. The way they bounced off each other and the way they were just able to come up with things off the cuff and ad-lib was just truly incredible. And I was even more shocked when I learned they'd only been together a few weeks. So heaven knows what they're like now. They're going to be even better. And they are supported by Pete, also known as Bertie, on the piano, and the Journeymen also put in an appearance, which was a nice surprise. If you are on all-inclusive drinks, then beware of the menu. The menu at the Exchange is all premium, but that doesn't mean that you can't order drinks that are non-premium from the bar. Now, of course, because the limited space, then there are telephones dotted all around the place, and you just pick up the telephone and a barman dressed like a Peaky Blinder will come with the drink on a trolley. Stay watching to the end and we will try and explain how we got our tickets and the way that we think is the best way to get tickets for either of these 2 shows. We will also let you know which show we preferred. It's close. So let's start on the afternoon that we found something beneath our cabin door.
What is it? Oh, it's in my name.
Can I open it?
Yeah, go for it.
What have we got? What have we got?
What
here?
have we got?
It's in a black sealed envelope, guys. It looks serious. What have we got? Marella Cruises invites you to the Lock-In, the Exchange. Shh, we're having a lock-in and a little bird told us you're angling for an invite. Well, here it is. Head to the Exchange, you'll find it on deck 8. You'll need this code to get in and ask for, and that's our code. I won't say it on camera because we want to keep it a secret. Keep it under your hat.
You're not going to show us?
No, because you'll see the password.
Just quickly.
It's really good, isn't it? So we are off to the Exchange tonight for a very, very secret party.
But don't worry, because we're going to take you all with us.
Hopefully we're going to show you what it's all about. But shh. That one does.
Go on, open it.
So I don't know if it's that carol across the road, you know, how they
One.
Okay, have we got an Atkinson?
Oh, that's who it is.
You in? Right, here we go. So, press 1 and then hash. We're ringing. We're ringing.
You're ringing.
Oh, hello! Hello. This is 4 very big burly men waiting outside. I do, and I'm going to be quiet with it. It's Mr. Gigglejuice. With it, hey there, it's Mr. Gigglejuice. Okay, lovely, thank you. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Hello.
Hello.
It's the 4 big burly men. Oh yes, how are you? How are you? Are you good? Yes. Yes. Marlena. Yes, it's the 4 big burly men.
Oh, it's the 4 big burly men.
Yes,
Wonderful.
big burly men. And what are your names, darling?
I'm David.
David. Yes. David Jack. Mark. David Jack.
I'm Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Mark and Mike.
One of you could have been Goliath.
Yes. I would say this one is Goliath, this one is Hercules, this one the Minotaur, and this one you can be Santa Claus, darling.
Oh,
Santa Claus.
yeah.
You can be Santa
Thank
Claus.
you. I'll
Because of the
settle for
month,
that.
because of the month,
Yeah.
and nothing else. Yes, because of the month.
I agree fully, actually.
Marlena, will you see these lovely
I'm this way,
people?
darling.
Thank
Here we
you.
go. I think I'm
Thank you, darlings.
I'm actually quite the romantic, I am. And I think it's not just about what's on the outside that counts, no. It's about what's on the inside of your wallet, Goliath. In other words, hold my hand. You'll baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. We go all the way all together. Yay! Lovely. My hair is for the way you look at me. Yes, darling. Oh, she's for the only one I see.
And we're going to go like this. Right. First, whenever you're ready, yes, thank you. And left. And right. And left.
Singing in the rain.
Good.
Just singing in the rain.
You are feeling charge of sausage, yes. Very good, very good.
Give a working girl a chance.
I'm a believer. And that's
Yes,
good.
you want to see my dying man? You want to see my dying man?
Yeah.
Push me over, madam. Push me over, madam. Push me over. Push me over. This is a very fascinating boxer. Very fascinating. Are you ready?
Prize for the best dance.
We're not going to do anything strange or
We're not going to
culty.
anything strange. You see?
And we're not even going to look at you or
Yes,
sing.
and we definitely won't sing.
No.
No, we're not going to sing because I would draw the line at singing. You know
Yes,
what I
that's
mean?
too
I
far.
would never do that to you.
We lie. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off of you. Love
Good to be true.
the most important man in my life. We should welcome Mr. Jimmy, 5 fingers.
Nice. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Yes, how are we? That's £500 for a film. £500, so that's right.
Through the very heart of it, New York, New York. Yes, I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep.
Oh, I'm Ethel.
You're Ethel?
Yeah.
Oh, Ethel what, sorry?
Ethel what?
What's your name, darling? What's your name? Ethel what?
My name's Ethel Handbag.
Ethel Amber. Ethel Amber. That's a lovely name. Original, isn't it?
Do you know what a magic eye is? No, he doesn't know. He's heard it many times before and he still doesn't know. If you come here, if you get the right distance of it, yeah. Dolphins. Dolphins. Yeah, dolphins.
Lower.
And while you're down there, actually, it's a scratch and sniff as well. So
Have you any warriors? That's beautiful.
You like that? Something.
Just to make sure it's not flu. Again. I don't want it to be flu.
No.
Can you do it again?
We could do maybe like something like.
Bert is that, right.
she's better than Bert.
Forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore.
Freak car accident.
Oh, that's darling. I'm so sorry,
Are you alright? Are you alright?
I'm alright, yeah.
Do you need, I can give you some therapy if you like.
Oh yeah, go on then.
You know, you can do the dog therapy, actually, the Shih Tzu.
Yeah.
Yes,
you
do that.
said I'm a Shih Tzu, you see. So I can I could be like your dog,
Yeah.
and then you could like feel happier because I could be like your pet, mental health pet or whatever. Yeah. She said I should do it, so I'm gonna do it. If I get down like this and I wiggle my tail, does that make you feel better?
Yeah,
make you feel better?
actually.
That make you feel better?
I don't think she feels
She's smiling, no, she's smiling. Have you forgot all about the crash, Ethel? Have you forgot all about that crash?
Hi, folks, here's a story about me. She was a red hot virgin. Thank you. Honey, ho.
So, what do you think of that then? It's a truly immersive experience that is absolutely great fun. We just laughed, and I do apologise for the laughing and singing. We couldn't help ourselves, but both events were absolutely fantastic. So let's talk first which one we preferred. Definitely, they are both brilliant, and I don't think you would be disappointed if you had tickets for either of them. But we probably, on the whole, preferred the lock-in. Whether it was because our first show, I think really, though, it was because we enjoyed the characters and the storyline in that show a little bit more than the second. But the second was just as good, and I certainly would feel the same way if we hadn't seen the lock-in. There are 4 shows a week, 2 of the lock-in and 2 of the heist. And as I say, fortunately, I went on the cruise planner one day and it suddenly appeared. But there was a problem. Every show I clicked on was showing as sold out. So of course I was really disappointed because I thought, how quick have you, how difficult and how quick have you got to be to get these tickets? But strangely, I went back on 2 days later, clicked on it again, I think just hoping, and weirdly, they were available. So straight there and then, we booked our tickets. And I think that is the best way you can do it. I do not think, or I think you will be extremely lucky to get tickets once you are on the boat. So look out on the cruise planner. As soon as you get the opportunity, then we would advise do it then. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. It is an absolutely amazing event. Marella, please spread it out across all your ships. If you do manage to get tickets and go, and Monica, let's start again. Monica, George and Luke are still performing there, then please say that the 4 burly men haven't forgotten them, and we absolutely rave about the exchange. Get those tickets, you won't regret it. Bye.